Second question, describe the classification of data mining systems. Data mining is classified with many techniques such as statistics, machine learning, pattern recognition, database and data warehousing system, information retrieval, visualization, algorithm, high performance computing, and many application domains shown in the figure. See the diagram, it shows the completely classification of data mining system. So the data mining is here, and the statistics, database systems, data warehousing, information retrieval, machine learning, applications, and pattern recognition, visualization, algorithm, and high performance. Now each one we will go for the explanation. What is the statistics? Statistics means a statistic model is a set of mathematical function that describes the behavior of the objects in a target classes in terms of the random variables and their association probability distribution. Now when you are using the statistical, we can find the different random values and different probabilities to get the data warehousing or data set. So here the statistics will be find the behavior of the objects, and we can get for the target classes. Go for the machine learning. Machine learning means it is the investigates of computer to learn based on the data. So whenever the research for this, so already we are having some data, like example we are having a previous year marketing strategies or analysis. So all will be comes under, all we are already making as a data. That data, it will be recognized by the system, and it's automatically learn to recognize the complex patterns and make it is a intelligent decisions. That means based on the data only. Next, database systems. Database systems, we already know what is a database system. That is, it is the main importance of creation of the database and maintaining and use of database for different organizations. So for here we can use the query language. You can ask the queries. We can also the query process and optimization methods, data storage and indexing and accessing method. So data warehousing means a data warehousing is integration of data from multiple sources and various time frames. It provides OLAP facility in multi-dimensional database to promote the multi-dimensional data mining. So we already reading the data warehousing, where we are making as a various time frames or multi-sources. We will facilitate the multi-dimensional databases to promote the multiple dimensional data mining. So here when you are using this one, we can easily assign what it happens here. That means we are integrating or mixing of different types of data and giving as a multiple sources. Next, information retrieval. Information retrieval is the science of research. So here different types of documents, we will get the probabilistic models. So models, we will get the what information we can retrieve from the data. Next, pattern recognition. The pattern recognition by using the machine learning algorithm or pattern recognition can be defined as the classification of data based knowledge already gained or statistical information extracted from the pattern and their representation. Patterns means, suppose example, if you want to build a house, we already seen some of the constructed houses, so that we can assume or we can pattern house like this only. So that is the that is the data already we gained from some of the houses. That is called as a knowledge. That knowledge we will make as the statistical information. Data visualization. Data visualization means we can place the right visual context. An algorithm is generally a data mining or mission is a set of instructions and calculations that create the model for the data. And next one, high performance computing. High performance computing is we are already creating a framework which can abstract increase the complexity in the current computing systems, and at the same time providing the performance benefits by explicit terms of the parallelism and the data mining algorithm. So data mining applications, many more areas the applications are using, like financial data analysis, retail industry, telecommunication, uh, telecommunication industry, biological data analysis, other scientific application, intrusion detection. So many areas why these applications are using means they can analyze the last year or past year data, so that they can what is the next future growth, all will be analysis by using the data mining applications.